Welcome back. Seems like most of the BJP corporators in the CCP are against the alliance with Babush Montserrat. Shubham Chodankar has become mayor of Panji due to support from Babush's panel. Edward George has been elected as a deputy mayor. BJP corporators off the camera informed Prudent that due to pressure from higher-ups, they forcibly had to agree with alliance with Babush Montserrat.
Shubham Chodankar of the BJP has been made the Panji mayor by forming an alliance with Babush Montserrat. Some BJP corporators fumed over the decision, but finally fell prey to the high command. Prudent tried to contact most of the BJP corporators, but they refused to comment. However, off the camera, some corporators informed that they forcibly agreed to the arrangement.
पयलीं म्हटल्यार जे कितें महानगरपालिकेन जी सत्ता काल घडलेली आसा ती सगळे तिसूय कॉर्पोरेटर वांगडा येवन म्हाका अनअपोज म्हणून आमी निवडले गेले. प्री मॉन्सून वर्क आतां सद्या पयलीं हांव कमिशनरा कडेन उलयल्लो आसा काल त्या प्रमाणे त्या दिशेन काम चालू जाल्लेलें आसा.
Currently, there is an alliance panel in the CCP. The mayor is from the BJP and the deputy is from Babush's panel. It is known that the BJP corporators are unhappy with the alliance with Babush's panel. Some corporators said it is better to work in the opposition than to work in alliance with Babush. Incidentally, former mayor of BJP Vaidehi Naik and corporator Sheetal Naik boycotted swearing-in ceremony of Shubham. Less than a year is remaining for the election of CCP. Corporators are hopeful that alliance panel will do take up developmental works. Our reporter Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Crime Branch has submitted charge sheet in Concor's Ruby Residency building collapse case on Friday. Crime Branch has charged 11 accused, including 8 government officials, for culpable homicide not amounting to murder. The charge sheet focuses on the negligence aspect by the authorities, not the corruption. Ruby Residency had collapsed on 4th January 2014, in which 31 labourers had lost their lives and many labourers were injured.
Crime Branch on Friday submitted a charge sheet in Ruby Residency building collapse case before the Panji Special Anti-Corruption Court. In the approximate 2,700-page charge sheet, Crime Branch has charged all the 11 accused for culpable homicide not amounting to murder under Section 304 of Indian Penal Code and other sections of IPC and Prevention of Corruption Act. The accused are builder duo Pardeep Singh Biring and Jagdeep Sehgal, contractor Vishwas Desai, former chief officers of Concon Municipal Council Deepak Desai, Prashant Shirodkar and Pradeep Naik, former deputy town planner of Concon Prakash Bandudkar, town and country planning draftsman Ramesh Naik, municipal engineers Ashang Naik Gaonkar, Ajay Desai, Suhas Fal Desai. Police has named about 125 persons as public witnesses. Explaining about the roles of the accused, Crime Branch has elaborated that accused builders Pardeep Singh Biring and Jagdeep Sehgal have been charged as accused as their owners, but there is no evidence that accused builders intentionally directed accused contractor to use low-grade construction material. Investigating agency has concluded that accused contractor did not take service of construction expert and constructed a faulty design building which resulted into building collapse. Crime Branch has concluded that the accused officials of Concon Municipal Council had renewed construction licenses and issued occupancy certificates without visiting and inspecting the collapsed building. All 11 accused are out on bail as of now. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Men and women of religious faith celebrated the day of Consecrated Life for Archdiocese of Goa. This year of Consecrated Life has been celebrated as per the word of Pope Francis, awaken the world. It means people who are called to be at the service of people and to work for the needy people.
I see skies.
We were about 900 participants today in this program, and this program is held based on the call that was given by Pope Francis to the whole world to celebrate this year as the year of Consecrated Life. And therefore, we in Goa are celebrating this day based on the words of Pope Francis, awake the world, in which we are called in order to be at the service of the people and to reach out into the hearts of the people so that we will be able to contribute toward the transformation of the society according to the values of the gospel and the life of Jesus.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.